Hey family! Welcome back to Jazzy Does It, where we DIY on a regular. And today we are going to make these levitating candles. They were super easy to make and a Dollar Tree DIY. I know how much people love these Dollar Tree DIYs. Not only was it a Dollar Tree DIY, it also went viral on TikTok, guys. Oh my gosh, I was so excited. But if you want to know how to make these candles, then just keep watching. Here are all of the materials that you're going to need. I got those vases from the Dollar Tree as well as that little candle. Everything else I picked up at Walmart, so a relatively inexpensive DIY. The little gemstones you can also get from Dollar Tree, but I still had those left over from the mirror project. So our first step is going to be to glue our two vases together. So you're going to use the Gorilla Glue first, and then I put the hot glue on second. That way it gives me an immediate adhesion between the two vases, and then the Gorilla Glue is the long lasting adhesion. Now we're going to take our gemstones, and FYI, you don't have to use gemstones. You can really use any kind of decorative item that's going to just cover up that seam in the middle. I just chose to use gemstones because that's just what I had. And you're just going to glue those all around the perimeter of the vase. Now we're doing the double boil method on how we're going to melt that small candle that we got from the Dollar Tree. The reason that we're doing this is because glue does not stick to wax, but wax sticks to wax. So what you do is you put on a boiling pot of water on the bottom and a smaller pot in the top, and that's how you melt your wax. So now what I'm doing is just putting little holes in the candle that I'm actually going to use, the one that's going to be placed upside down in the vase, because I want to make sure that that wax, gets in some little nooks and crannies into that candle so that it molds into the candle when it dries. I'm using the painter's tape to give myself a handle when you want to place your candle into the wax, because believe me, you do not want to drop it right into the wax because it will splatter everywhere. And then you will have a mess like I had when I had candle wax on my ceiling. So don't do that. And here is our melted wax from the pot. And now we're going to pour our wax into the vase. You just want to put enough to cover the bottom and go up a little bit up the side. You do not want a whole lot because it will spread easy and it will go right up the side of your vase. And that's another mess that you don't want to clean up and start over. Believe me, I've done it. And now, after your candle wax has dried, you just push that wick down so that you can't see it. Flip over your candle and it should stick just like this. Now you're going to place your other candle on top, and you can stop right here if this is the look that you're going for. But if you're trying to match your candle decor, like I was to my dining room, just keep watching. So if you've been paying attention lately, I've been doing a lot of copper decor. So I wanted my center of my candles to be copper. So I put this painter's tape around the top and the bottom, just like this. I covered the rest of the candle with plastic bags because it's just the simplest thing to put around it on the top and on the bottom. And then I took it right outside to spray paint. Here is the spray paint that I use. It is the Rust-Oleum metallic finish in the color copper, and I'm spraying all over it. And then I noticed that there are a couple little strings of hot glue, so make sure you pull those off before you decide to want to paint. And here is the final look. I love the way it came out. I love this centerpiece for my dining room table. And the way I got this look is I got 3 small vases and 3 big vases, and I got 4 small candles and 2 big candles. Always put the smaller candles on the bottom because they are lighter, and this DIY can be used for anything: centerpiece, wedding, centerpiece decor, entryway. I mean, the possibilities are limitless. Change up the middle, make it your own. Show me your DIYs. I'd love to see them. Message me on Instagram, Facebook, email me. I just want to see your finished products. And to my new family, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you never miss another DIY. And I'll see you guys next time.